my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la, 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 la.
Tên mà con này, ai nói thì tối họ về làm vợ, tối thì tối nhưng mà cái vợ làm kiểu như nó có.
Oh my goodness, look at this. Ooh, I did not know this was going on, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay. I need to blast this. Oh, won't even work. Hi guys, so I'm on my way to take the girls. Actually, one of them has a doctor's appointment, but I got both of them here. Say hi, girls. Hi. I got both of them. So they have MEK has an appointment, her well child visit. She turned 3 on Valentine's Day. On New Year's Day. I'm sorry, MEK. So I'm taking her to her well child visit, and I got both girls, but I'm really trying to see if I can get breakfast at McDonald's. I hope you guys can hear me because I got this audio in my car. So I got a little face beat, y'all. If you can see that, I got a little face beat. So I'm trying to take her there. See if I can get McDonald's breakfast before they close. I know they stop serving breakfast at 10:30. So yeah, that's what we're up to. Let's see if we can make it. Hi.
Can I help you?
Yeah, can I have number 2? The sausage McMuffin with egg.
We're on lunch.
Oh, I thought it's 10:30.
Oh, you still got a couple minutes.
Yeah, because I drove so fast to get here.
What's the drink?
A small coffee with 6 cream, 6 sugar.
Anything else?
Yes, and I want 2 extra hash browns. Titi, how many hash browns do you want? 1 or 2?
Anything else?
That'll be all.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sure, we tried, girl. Let me get my gum together. Titi.
What? What?
You a silly girl. I hope I did not drop it. I hope I left it in the house. My other debit card. Oh, this coffee. I'm so happy I got it.
And why did you not get your favorite food the other day?
You know what? I got it the other day. I got it 2 days ago. I went there and they had it at Panera. They had my broccoli cheddar
And
soup.
when we have family time, why did they not have it?
I don't know. I said they did not have it. Titi. I don't know. Oh, no, I got the coffee. Okay. All right. Yes, ma'am.
For my food.
Wait for Emika's food.
I want for my food. Mommy, Mickey wants. Oh.
Oh, boy.
Okay.
Oh, boy. Oh, girl. Emika. So, how is everybody doing? I hope you all are doing good, It's a beautiful day. I had to take the day off today just so I could run all the errands and get the girls together. So yeah, that's all I got going on. I want to take them shopping. Girls, you want to go shopping?
Yay!
My last video. Okay, can I? Hey, listen. I need to do my video. So my last vlog, I went to Marshall's and when I was editing the video, I showed them the Paw Patrol shoes and the frozen Snickers, and they loved it. So I'm gonna go back to try to see if I can get them in their sizes and buy it for them. Are you excited?
Yeah!
So guys, these are my nails that I did last night. It was really late, so I couldn't even come back to show y'all, but this is what it looks like. So cute, so cute. It's gray. Look at that. Oh, so cute. I like it. This is where I found it. Well, let's see. Oh, there's one here. Let me see what size.
Baby shark?
Yeah, let me see what size it is. It's 10.
Let me see. I want these ones. Which one?
I need to check this.
I want those ones.
Okay, let me check the sizes. You okay, Chichi? That's right. If it's little, I'll give you the big one, okay? Let me see. Can you stomp? Let me see. Stomp your feet. Stomp it. Oh, you like that? Are they cute? Are they comfortable? Let me see your shoes. Stomp. It lights up really good. Let me see. Oh, you like it? Turn around. Let me see. Oh. Emika, come here. Let me see yours. Come closer. Stomp. Let me see. You like it?
Daddy's going away.
Okay, come push. Come stand by Titi and push. You're pushing? Okay, push, baby. Do you like that?
Cashier
Huh?
number 5, please.
Titi, let me see your book. Going out with kids is so stressful. Yes, it's stressful. And who was crying in the store? Jeez Louise. Anyway, we're done at Marshall's. We found, I'll show you guys what I got when we get home. We got a pair of Skechers for TT. And a pair of... Emika, what shoes did I get for you, baby? Paw Patrol. Is it?
Baby Shark.
Baby Shark. Not Paw Patrol. Baby Shark. Yeah, so I'll show you guys when we get home. Right now, I want to go to Target. I went there yesterday, and man, they had so much stuff. I'm probably gonna spend money that I'm not supposed to spend, but yeah, let's go. And then when I get home, I will show you whatever I get. All right. It's so stressful, but I wanted to have a good time. I wanted to go shopping with them, so I guess it's something I have to deal with. All right, let's go, y'all. No, what?
That's okay. I think Marshall Puppy went home.
Marshall the Pop does not leave here, girl. You silly bootang. This is Burlington. This is another store. I don't think you've been here before, but we're not going here today, okay? We'll go here some other day.
Which?
Burlington. I said blue. I don't know my color.
Not blue.
I don't know my colors anymore, girl.
Do you know your colors anymore?
I know my colors, girl.
Then why do you
Man, Popeyes is always packed. What are people always looking for? Fried chicken? Jeez. Boy. Is that wobbly and fun?
Those are wild cars.
Yeah. Why so expensive? Why?
Your nose. That's your nose. Yes, your nose, Titi. That's your nose.
Yeah, these are for the size
Yes,
the cup A,
no.
not me, girl. But they're cute, two
Yes
pieces.
or no?
They're cute, girl.
What did you say? Yes or no?
Can I go look for my makeup real quick? Those are nice summer hats. I got the green one. I got that one right there.
Real quick.
It's really pretty. Okay, you guys want us to go check out? Let's go look. Let me go look for my makeup real quick and then we could go. Okay, baby?
All I want